Hi guys, welcome back to RVC Talk. Today being Sunday, 19th Jan, so quickly we want to look at some of the FNO stocks, how the last 20 days the stocks are behaving, what are the good trading opportunities using our MWD magic level indicator. So to get started in this one, so I want to actually start with an MRF, which is relatively big. Very few people seems to be trading on this one. So look at this. This is in the first of this month, which is January 1st. So the market opened somewhere here and then the stock seems to be going down and then there is a recovery. So the stock currently overall trading below the high and the low of the week. So below the weekly levels. And this is a monthly level, this is the daily level. So the stock actually opened somewhere at the high of the month level, tested the low of the month level, and then there is a slight pullback, but the daily level seems to be kind of in a stopping here, right? So if the stock breaks down below this, there is a good opportunity for PE side, right? If the stock breaks somewhere here and goes towards a weekly, wait for the high of the week to break out and then go for the CE. That is how the fundamentals of our MWD magic level indicator, right? Let me play on this for a couple of I'm actually in a 5 minutes because usually we prefer to trade in a 5 minutes. I want to actually do the analysis only on a 5 minutes part. Okay. See the price actually try to cross the monthly high. It's not able to sustain. So wait for what happens. Let's look at what happens on this. So again, it tried to cross the monthly high, but not able to sustain. So it's trying to break the monthly low. Okay, let me put it here so that we will have a better look at overall. So it's actually trying to break this now and the monthly low. So you need to wait for a confirmation in terms of once it break down, it's able to sustain, then you go for the PE. So overall, if you look at the trend seems to be kind of a flat, trying to cross this and then come back. So this seems to be kind of a complete flat. It's not even breakdown in terms of an hourly level on the day. But now you see there is a breakdown on this low of this here. So there is a PE, clear PE opportunity for 1,30,000 PE here, right? I'm not looking at what is the price of 1,30,000 PE for the Jan series. I'm saying that once there is a breakdown, there is a definitely a good possible downside, right? So the price 1,30,000 breakdown. Next day again it is trying to test monthly low probably. No, it's not able to sustain. So let me zoom out a little. So our according to our MWD indicator, if the price is below monthly and weekly levels, if it is a below, then always look for PE. Don't consider any CE opportunity, right? So let me put it on probably 3x and let me play next. So it try to test again on this level. Unless it cross the low of the month, we are not going to kind of an exit. See the price never able to reach any of these or a breakout of these levels, right? This is on a next day. This is in fact actually next week. So here also price breakdown weekly low. If you see, this is on next week, right? This is on 7th Jan. From 1st Jan to 7th Jan, the price is 1,20,000. So there is a 10,000 rupees fall in this price, right? So let me continue to play on this one. So this is the next day. It's taking support here, but it's not able to sustain that support, and it seems to be still on the negative trend. This is an actually the third week starting on 13th. This is basically the week, current week just for completed. So in 2 weeks from 1,30,000, the price reached 16,000. There's a 14,000 fall here, right? So let me continue to play on this one. As long as the price is not crossed weekly high, we don't need to really worry about this, right? So we are always on the PE side. Here, again, the low of this is 1,12,000, right? This week seems to be completely flat here. If you see this 1, 2, 3 days, the market, or at least MRF seems to be kind of playing in the flat rate in the within the same range, right? So considering the next week is going to be the expiry, right? So here exactly at 1,13,000, the price is closed at 1,13,948. So overall, if you see, there is a 16,000 rupees fall from 1,30,000, right? So that is within 3 weeks. Here, what we need to understand is once you consider like a PE option, a below monthly low and a weekly low, only once the price cross a weekly high, either you can exit or a price cross low of the month, you can consider for an exit, right? But here it's a good one side momentum of like close to around like 14, 15,000. This is a good opportunity for you. We will continue to analyze couple of more stocks, but we will do it together rather than doing it for the entire month. I want to highlight, given a couple of examples, once a price cross this, how we start behaving it, right? Once the price cross the low of the month, what is the support? Or if the price goes up, like for example, if weekly is here, if the price goes up, and once this this level, how it behaved, once this touch this, how it behaved. There are a number of examples. I don't want to go back to months and months back. I want to talk only about this current month within a lot of other options. Hope those videos will give a better idea about the levels what we are talking. Okay, thank you.